In this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete trash in Notion. Start by opening Notion in your browser and signing into your workspace if you're not already logged in. Once Notion loads, you should see the main workspace screen with the navigation sidebar on the left. Now look to the left panel. This sidebar is where Notion keeps your pages, settings, and workspace tools. Scroll through that panel if needed until you find trash, which usually has a small bin icon next to it. Click Trash once. This opens the list of pages and items that have been moved to the trash instead of being deleted right away. That temporary trash area is important because it gives you a chance to review items before removing them permanently. At this point, you'll see the deleted items listed in the main area. Find the page or item you want to remove for good, then click on that item to select it. Make sure you're choosing the correct page because permanent deletion can't be undone. Once the item is selected, look for the Permanently Delete option and click it. Notion may ask you to confirm, depending on your version. If it does, confirm the deletion. After that, the item should disappear from the trash list, which means it has been permanently removed from your workspace. If you don't see trash in exactly the same spot, the layout may vary slightly depending on your Notion version or screen size, but it's usually still in the left sidebar. And that's how you delete trash in Notion. Thanks for watching.